Hey everyone, my name is Cyan, and today I'm going to show you how to activate your new line on Reach Mobile. Once you're nice and settled, download and sign into your Reach Mobile app. Click on Activate Now and confirm that your device is unlocked, which just means that it's eligible to move to a new carrier. Not sure if your device is unlocked? Check out our blog for all the deets. Once you're ready to go, confirm your device details. Locate your welcome kit, take out that SIM card, and scan the barcode on the back. Alright, if you're bringing your number over to Reach, you'll just need to add in the rest of your current carrier's information. This includes the billing zip code, account number, and a PIN or password created when you first signed up with them. Give your information just one more look over and click on Activate. Alright, now it's a little waiting game. It'll take between 5 minutes to 2 hours for your current carrier to release your phone number. Once your carrier finally breaks those chains, we'll notify you that your line is active on Reach and you're free to pop in that SIM. Who would have thought that getting a new phone plan could be so easy? Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy connecting.